Advanced option for climb and conventional. A new directional feature has been added to the surface-based toolpath calculation for one-way machining. This new option provides better control over the climb and conventional cutting conditions during cutting. The cutting direction, tool contact point and tool axis orientation are now taken into consideration. Two new options are available, all contours and single contour. All contours sets a single cutting direction and progression on all contours. Single contour allows the cutting direction to change for each single contour. The benefits: constant cutting conditions result in a better surface quality.